Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are finally coming super close to finishing up this build. The Hellcat is almost done. Everything's been painted. This car's getting ready to be assembled right now in a matter of minutes. So guys, the first thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go ahead, probably reassemble the front bumper, do inner fender, stuff like that. You know, fix some tabs on this headlight and just things like that. And then we're gonna put all the body panels on and get this thing ready for the road. I'm super excited and I don't want to waste any time, so let's get started. Alright guys, so this fender is on for good. The hood is closed, the gaps look great. Before I move on to this side, because my brother is fixing up the headlight over there, so broken tab and then one that's warped. So while he does that, I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to assemble the front bumper, you know, pop in this vent right here and the splitter and everything, and just get this thing looking good, side markers and everything. So let's do it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I got the fender on. It was actually a little bit harder than the other side because there's a giant foam piece that goes in there. As for that side, it's just a little foam piece that's back here. So anyways, it's in now. What I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to rotate the tires. I'm going to put the front wheels in the back and the back wheels in the front, because these back wheels still do have quite a bit of meat left on them, and we just want to put them up into the front because we might have some crazy mods coming for this car, and it might involve the rear wheels getting changed. But I've already said too much. Let's just go ahead and rotate these tires and then continue on putting this thing back together. Alright guys, so I got the wheels rotated. Everything's on the car basically. I got everything on. The other wheel might have to come off for this next step. It's the moment we've all been it's hard to tell with it under the cover. Dude, that's sick. It's crazy. What? Alright guys, so now we have to assemble this door, so let's do it. Alright guys, so I want to go over this real quick. So what I just did is, when I was painting the car, I created about a tape line here, but I painted about up to here, so a little bit overspray got here and it created a line, but not as hard as it would have if I painted to the end, which that was expected. So what happened was, the reason I did that is because I didn't want to paint the entire quarter panel, so I did that line right there. And then what I did is, just now I wet sanded with a 2000 and a 2500 grit, and then I buffed it with the compound, and now it's perfectly smooth and that line is completely gone. But now this thing needs a really good wash. But anyways guys, we're almost done, so let's go ahead and put all the gaskets up there and the trim, and then we'll be done on this side, and probably I think the whole car will be done on for now. And then we're just gonna give it a good wash and let it bake in the sun. And we are done with the door. All right guys, so we are pretty much done with the entire car. We got the whole door assembled, all the gaskets, trims, the tires, wheels, they're rotated, front end is put together, everything is in. All right guys, now it's time to give this filthy car a wash. Now I'm not using anything fancy like a pressure washer or anything. I'm just using some soap, water, and mitt, and the garden hose, because I don't want to risk flaking off the brand new paint just yet, because it's very fresh right now. It's still baking in the sun, so we're just gonna give it a good old wash just to get all the dust and stuff off of it. All right guys, so the car is clean. I'm super excited. Now there's a few things that I do want to point out. This mirror right here, this molding trim here, and this molding trim here, all those things are going to get replaced soon. They're on their way, actually. They've already been ordered. This mirror is already going to be coming in purple, so not to worry, all those things will be fixed. Originally this was the mirror we were going to use, but what happened is this mirror with the subs that's in the car, there's 2 10s in the back. This car comes with 2 10s in the back from factory, and this is an aftermarket mirror, so it vibrates way too much, and the other mirror on the other side does not. So we went ahead, we ordered an OEM one, and it's on its way. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and this build just looks super mean. I'm super happy the way it came out. There will probably be one more video on this car coming up soon, but that is it for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, be sure to click the like button down below, and while you're at it, there's a shiny red subscribe button. But that is it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.